See, children, next, the water what we are drinking has some quality. What is the quality of drinking water? So, nowadays, most of us hesitate to use natural water directly for drinking because biological, physical, chemical impurities from different sources mixed with surface water or groundwater. So, institutions like WHO, World Health Organization, at world level, and BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, and ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, at national level, world level, national level, have prescribed standards for quality of drinking water. The characteristics prescribed for deciding the quality of drinking water by BIS. BIS means Bureau of Indian Standards in 1991 is given in a tabular column. See this one. This is very important. Quality of drinking water by BIS. pH, total dissolved salts, TDS, total hardness, nitrate, chloride, sulfate, fluoride. The measurement also you have to learn. Biological characteristics, Escherichia coli, coliforms. This should be by Horton. That is quality of drinking water. Next, fluoride. Fluoride ion deficiency in drinking water causes tooth decay. So, water soluble fluorides are added to increase the fluoride ion concentration up to 1 ppm. The fluoride ion makes the enamel on teeth much harder by converting hydroxyapatite formula Ca3PO4 twice CaOH twice the enamel on the surface of the teeth into much harder fluorapatite. However, fluoride ion concentration above 2 ppm causes brown mottling of teeth. Excess fluoride causes damage to bone and teeth. Then lead. Drinking water containing lead contamination above 50 ppb can cause damage to liver, kidney, and reproductive system. Next, sulfate. Moderate level of sulfate is harmless. Excessive concentration, that is above 500 ppm of sulfates in drinking water causes laxative effect. Next, nitrate. Use of drinking water having concentration of nitrate higher than 45 ppm may cause methemoglobinemia, that is a disease in children, blue baby syndrome. Next, what is TDS? Total dissolved salts. Most of the salts are soluble in water, like calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, iron. These are all cations. Now anions like carbonate, bicarbonate, chloride, sulfate, phosphate, and nitrate. So, use of drinking water having total dissolved salts concentration higher than 500 ppm causes possibilities of irritation to stomach and intestine. So it should be careful. Whatever drinking, it should not go beyond limit. That we should be careful in drinking water.